Good morning, student. I am Professor R.S. Uppal. Today is the third lecture of Arithmetic Mean. In this lecture, we will be discussing two major topics. The topics are correcting incorrect mean, and second topic is combined mean. Let us take one example of correcting incorrect mean. The average weight of group of 30 students was found to be 50 kg. However, it was discovered later that the weight of the student were recorded as 35 kg and 42 kg, recorded wrongly, instead of 45 and 44 kg. Now we have to calculate the correct mean. Now in this question, important is this: number of students is 30, which has been fixed, and the mean is 50, which is definitely incorrect because we have taken two entries incorrect. We have to correct that. These are the incorrect values. Instead of the person's weight was 45 and we counted as 35, and the person weight was, or student weight was 44, we counted as 42. Calculate the correct value of the mean. How do we correct it? Just we have to subtract the incorrect value and add the correct values. Let us go. N equal to 30 is given to us. The value of x bar is initially given to us is 50. Now, formula of x bar is sigma x over n. Formula आपको पहले ही बताया हुआ है, sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. x bar की वैल्यू 50 है, सिग्मा x की वैल्यू 50 है. सिग्मा x की वैल्यू निकालनी है बेटे आपको, and n is 30. तो sigma x will be, that is summation of x is 5 into 3, 15, 1500. Now it is an incorrect value in which two entries are incorrect. We have to find out the correct value. So we will write down xc. c लिख देते हैं, means correct है. The values, those who are correct, will be 1500 minus 35 and 42. But you have to add it the correct values, 45 and 44. On adding this, we get it the value. We get the value 1512. On solving this, we get the value 1512. Now correct mean xc. C or denotes for correct. That will be the summation of the correct value divided by the total number of people or total number of students. Here total is same 30. 1512 divided by 30. Just on calculating this, we get the value 50.4 kg. You must write down the unit because unit has already been mentioned in the question. Let us discuss one more question for correcting mean. The mean wage paid by the 1000 workers in ABC company was found to be rupees this. This is the mean wage. Later on it was discovered that the wages of the two persons were wrongly entered as rupees 297 and 165. Their correct wages were, whereas 197 and 185. Find the correct. In the similar way, first of all we will find out the incorrect sum and subtract the incorrect value and add these correct values. Here n is equal to 1000. X bar already been given rupees 180.40. This is rupees. Now we know the formula of X bar. X bar is summation of X divided by N. 180.40 is equal to summation of X is 180. Summation of X की वैल्यू निकालनी है divided by N. N is 1000. Summation of X become 18040,000. Just take two decimal. Now when it is multiplied by 1000, it will be 1804000.00. Now sigma C X C means correct value. करेक्ट वैल्यू हम क्या करेंगे, जो इनकरेक्ट वैल्यू है वो माइनस कर देंगे. 180,400 माइनस आपकी इनकरेक्ट वैल्यू है 297 एंड 165. 297, 165 and we will add it the correct values. Correct value is 197 and 185. 197 and 185. On calculating this, it will be 180,320. The amount total correct value is this. Now correct mean the summation of the correct value divided by N. N is same as 1000 workers. 180,320 divided by 1000 will be equal to 180.32. This is the value, total value. Wages, average wages will be, therefore mean wages or average wages, जो करेक्ट वैल्यू है is 180 rupees 32 paisa. Now next topic is combined mean. The formula used for the combined mean is, if let us take it A, B, C are three sections and N1, N2 and N3 students are studying there. The average marks in mathematics is X1 bar, X2 bar and X3 bar. These are the average marks. This is number of students and this is mean marks. Now what is the total combined mean of three sections? The formula for combined mean will be N1 X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar N3 X3 bar over N1 प्लस N2 प्लस N3. एक बार फिर से देखिए बेटे, अगर तीन सेक्शन है A B C एंड नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट उनमें है A में N1, B में N2, C में N3 एंड X1 बार, X2 बार, X3 बार इनके मीन है सेक्शन A के, सेक्शन B के, सेक्शन C के. तो ओवरऑल स्कूल का, उस क्लास का एवरेज, दैट इज टोटल एवरेज, कंबाइंड एवरेज इज N1 X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar plus N3 X3 bar divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. This is called combined average. Now let us take one example to understand combined mean. An ABC paper mill works in three shifts, first, second and third. The shifts, number of workers in the first shift is 200, second shift is 250 and third shift is 150. Mean wages. The wages are 150, 200 and 300. Find the combined mean wages. Now you have to find out what is the combined mean wages. It is given by ABC paper mill. Now here N1 is very easily, you can find out 200. Again N2 is 250. and the number of person working in the third shift, that is 150. 3 शिफ्ट में काम करने वाले 200, 250 और 150 वर्कर्स है। हर एक का मीन वेज अलग अलग है। X1 bar is 150 rupees, X2 bar is 200 rupees and X3 bar is 300. Now combined mean का फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली दिखा देंगे आप। N1 X1 bar, N2 X2 bar, N3 X3 bar divided by N1, N2, N3. Now what is the value of N1? 200. X1 bar 150. This will be 200 into 150 plus 250 into 200. And similarly 150 multiplied by 300 divided whole by 200, 250 and 150. Now on calculating this, we find out 15 into 2 30 and 30, 25 into 2 is 50 into 30 साथ में आ जाएगा 15 3 जा 45 into 30 divided by the total of this is 600. इसको आप टोटल करेंगे तो वैल्यू आ जाएगी, आप यहाँ टोटल करके देख लीजिए 30,000, 45,000 and 50,000. We will get it 125,000 divided by 600. Just cancel out 1250 divided by 6 to 208.4. Approximately it is 208.33, or since approximately it will be 208 rupees. The wages is 208 rupees. Now let us explain one more question of combined mean. The mean weight of 150 cadets, boys and girls, in 60 kg. The mean weight of the boy cadet is 70 kg and that of the girl cadet is 55 kg. Find the number of boys and number of girls. In this question, the mean weight of 150 cadet, total cadet had been given as 150 and 60 is the average of that, and boy cadet का एवरेज जो दिया हुआ है वो 70 kg दिया है एंड गर्ल का 55 kg. फाइंड करना है हमें नंबर ऑफ बॉयज एंड नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. लेट नंबर ऑफ बॉयज N1, let number of girls N2. Now N1 plus N2 दोनों का सम 150 दिया है. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. कंबाइंड मीन का फॉर्मूले में X1 बार इज ऑलरेडी बीन गिवन. बॉयज के लिए 70 kg दिया है and X2 bar for the girls is 55 kg and combined mean has been given to be 60 kg. Now using the combined mean formula, X bar is N1, X1 bar, N2, X2 bar divided by N1 plus N2. Substituting the corresponding values now. 60, N1 is not being given to us. N1, X1 bar, that is 70, plus N2 is not known to us. X2 bar is known to us, 55, or N1 plus N2 total is 150. from the equation 1. Now solving this, 60 into 150 equal to 70 and 1, 55 and 2. Now entire equation is divided by 5. On dividing entire equation by 5, we get it 14 and 1 plus 11 and 2 equal to, इसको हम 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 5 1 जा 5, 5 8 जा 40, 00. This is the second equation. Now solving the first and second equation, this is first equation, this is second equation by linear form. Linear equation 14 ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 1 इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 14 and 1, 14 and 2 is equal to 14 into 15. Now 14 into 15 is total 150 से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो it becomes 2100. And second equation is 14 and 1, 11 and 2 is equal to 1800. Solve कर लीजिए, minus minus minus, this will cancel out. 14 minus 11 is 3 and 2 is equal to 300. And 1 and 2 will be equal to 100. Now putting the value of n2 in first, that will be n1 plus 100 equal to 150. N1 is how many? 150 minus 100, that becomes 50. So therefore boys cadet are 50, whereas girls cadet are 100. तो लास्ट में आप लिख देंगे योर आंसर. नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कैडेट 50. Number of girls cadet 100. Meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.